How to fix Agoda credit card verification. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Agoda credit card verification. So for that, what you have to do is delete the app from a device and then reinstall it. Just go to your existing Agoda app on your device, tap and hold on it, and then tap remove app to delete it from your device. Then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then re-download it. Now the next what you can do is use a mobile browser. You can just head to one of your browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then type agoda.com. Then log into your account. Now the next what you can do is check the card details. Just double check that the CVV expiration date and billing address match your card exactly. Make sure that you have sufficient funds for a temporary $1 to $2 pre-authorization which platforms use to verify card validity. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.